I'm Miss Debbie, and this is Kids in the Kitchen, brought to you by Morton Grove Public Library. Today we're going to make holiday cookies, and I have 3 recipes here. They're all really similar. They're all rolled in sugar of some sort, and you start by mixing the sugar and the shortening or butter, adding eggs, flour, and whatever else, and then you take out a ball, roll it in sugar, and bake. And what we have are ginger molasses cookies, and of course ginger and molasses is what makes them tasty. We have snickerdoodles, and they have cream of tartar, and that gives it a little tangy taste, and it also changes the structure of the cookie and makes it a nice soft cookie. The last one I have is a chocolate cookie. I call it chocolate snowdrops. It's a really simple cookie using oil. I also want to show you this book by Dory Greenspan. It's called Dory's Cookies. She has another recipe for chocolate cookies that's a little different. You may have one that is your favorite. You may have your favorite snickerdoodle recipe, whatever, but that's what we're going to make today. And helping me today are a couple of my grandchildren that live in Kansas City. So here we are, and I'm in my kitchen, but I don't have any kids here. So I had to call my daughter, Kale, and my 2 grandkids. You want to tell us your names?
Yeah. My name is Chloe and I'm 8 years old. My name is Jasper and I am 6 years old.
So what kind of cookies are you guys going to make?
Snickerdoodles! Daddy, 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 Daddy. Guess what? Sometimes my mom, when we're done with it, we rinse off the spoon a little bit and get all the stuff out. When there's just a little bit left, she lets me lick the spoon.
Really?
Yeah.
baking tips. Actually, Dory Greenspan is where I got them. And one of the things you may want to do is invest in an oven thermometer. It will tell you if your temperature is accurate or if you have some hot spots in your oven. The other thing is a cookie dough scoop. They come in different sizes, and these, as you scoop out your cookie dough, it'll make sure that all your cookies are uniform in size and will bake evenly. The last tip is to use pastry paper. You can see that I use this over and over again, and it also makes your cookies bake more evenly, and it makes cleaning up very, very easy.
Oh, guys, hot pan coming through. Watch out.
Watch, yes, get back.
They're too hot, so we're not gonna eat them yet.
Oh,
I am going to get the super yummy one. That one.
That looks really
they
good.
did crackle, and you can see the cinnamon.
With the dark cinnamon on it.
They come out of the oven
I
all
need that
fluffy.
one, Chloe.
You want to
They've
eat
got a lot
which
of
one you
food.
Which
like?
one are you gonna eat?
Sit down, buddy.
But-
You can't see.
Thank you guys for baking cookies with me. I'm getting ready to put my batch in.
Say bye.
I wish you could see us on Christmas.
So, our cookies are all baked, and they're ready for serving, for gift giving, and for eating.
One time my mom was making oatmeal,
Uh-huh.
and she had like a tiny little cup of cinnamon, and she left it there, and I kind of got a spoon and started eating it, and soon it got spicy because I was eating too much. So
Oh, no.
people at home, do not eat too much cinnamon.